Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad dressing at home for weight loss, full guide. Start by measuring oil and acid at a 3:1 ratio, then whisk or shake until emulsified. Choose lighter bases like plain yogurt, citrus juice, or vinegar instead of heavy creams. Add herbs, mustard, and a touch of sweetener if needed. Taste and adjust salt and acid gradually to keep calories low and flavor bright. I will explain simple swaps that make dressings lighter and satisfying. Replace mayonnaise with mashed avocado or plain Greek yogurt for creaminess and fewer calories. Use citrus juice and vinegar to add tang without sugar. Sweeten with a small amount of honey or mashed fruit rather than refined sugar. Finish with fresh herbs and a pinch of spice to create complex flavor so salads feel indulgent, not restrictive. I will review a quick recommendation that pairs well with meal prep and dressings. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for transporting salads and dressings without spills, and they save time on busy days. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. I will help you portion and preserve your dressings for convenience and consistency. Store dressings in airtight containers and shake before use to re-emulsify ingredients. Portion into small jars or bottles to control servings, aiming for 1 to 2 tablespoons per salad if weight loss is the goal. Label each container with the date and use within 1 week. Proper storage keeps flavors bright and prevents accidental overeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.